YouTube. My homie just took his motor out this Shortbed. And I'm finna put an airless in there. See, it been raining out here like I always say. Every time we try to do work in Georgia, it always raining. So I'm gonna let y'all see this Shortbed with a little 350 we just pulled out. Airless going in there. It ain't going in there today, but it going in there. You know, I like to show y'all them projects. So let's see this Shortbed. I forgot I had my camera in my truck. I just thought about it. Like, damn, I'm gonna go pull my camera out. But anyway, y'all remember the purple Shortbed with a 28 dub ballers on it. Got that 350 out of there, man. It's out. New grill coming. I think he put a TR in that thing. I think he already got it already. But yeah, you know, I try to keep y'all updated on the little stuff that we do around here making Georgia. You know. Shortbed look good though. Squatting on 8s. For the people that ain't been watching my video, y'all go back and y'all can see the video of the Shortbed. Yep. We ain't got all the money in the world, but you know, we do stuff slow. We do stuff piece by piece, you know what I mean? You know, and I try to show y'all exactly how we do it piece by piece. So, you know, trying to keep y'all updated. Look at the fat boy over there, look at it. You know, he ain't the real. You see, he on lunch break. But y'all keep watching that though, man. Back in Georgia, middle Georgia anyway. Like I said, it don't matter who stuff I record, I'm gonna record it for y'all. And I ain't asking for no money and none of that stuff. Man, tell them what you finna do to that Shortbed, man.
I'm on lunch break now, boy.
Tell them what you finna do to that Short.
Put that 302 in there, boy.
Boy, see if you finna put a 302 in there, man.
302.
Oh, shit. Yeah, but like I was saying though, man, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna make another video when we clean it up and drop the airless in there. Matter of fact, y'all wanna see? I'm gonna show you. Let's check the airless out. Let's see. Let's see. I can pull this thing up. Anyway, you see it's already been painted and everything. Pretty covered up, pretty good. So, I'm trying to get the bag up. Mr. LS is already painted the same color purple, even though he's gonna repaint it. Yeah. That's it. The whole motor been rebuilt.
That dude got that damn motor painted the same color as the truck.
Yeah, it look good too, man. Yeah, transmission. Yeah, it look good, man. They getting it together now. Yeah. He telling everybody he putting a 305 in there though.
Man, putting 302, man. The old motor.
Yeah.
302. Yeah.
But y'all stay tuned, man. I'm out. I ain't did nothing to my truck yet. I've been too busy. So I'm gonna get to it eventually. Y'all keep watching my video. King Joshua.